As you may have already noticed in the previous lectures that we have a new search bar down here, the taskbar. It's docked between the start menu icon and the quick launches. So now if you want to search for anything, you can just click on there and start searching. Or if you are used to the traditional way, you can just click on the start menu and start searching directly. As you see, the search bar is highlighted and the cursor is already there. Now before we see how search works on Windows 10, I would like to show you and remind you how search was working in the Windows 8.1. Let's move to our Windows 8.1 machine. I'm sorry for changing the resolution because some apps just do not work on the 1280 by 720 resolution. Let's assume I want to search for the word network. Click on start and start typing. If you take a look at the results, the first one is the network, which will show you the devices and machines on your network. The other 6 results, if you see, the first 3 contains the word network on it. The 4th and the 5th results, Windows just guessed that these results might be interesting for me. And the last one contains the word networks, not network. That's why we see it at the end. Note that these 6 results, from the network proxy settings to the manage VPNs, are the settings app results. So do we miss any results here? Of course we do. We miss the control panel items results like the network and sharing center and the manage network adapters and many other important results that should be appearing here. Now if we scroll down, we will see some network related search results, and let's click on the first one to see what is it. On the left side, as you see, we have the same search results that we had when we searched from the start menu. On the right side, we have some web search results like network the movie and computer network from Wikipedia. Now if you click on any results of these, it will take you directly to that web page. As you see, we have something also missing here. If I want to search for the word network on the web, I can't find that directly here. Now let's go to our Windows 10 machine and see how search works there. Now let's search for the same keyword network and see the results. The first thing that you will notice that the search results are categorized. The first are with the best match. As you see, we have the network connections and network and sharing center, which are the most 2 important results that we need usually when we search for network, are on the top. Next, you will see some settings related search results like manage network passwords, network proxy settings, and the sync center. And then you will see some results from the store like watch NFL network and network speed test. These are 2 applications in the store that you can download. And under that you will see some web search results like network and network fleet. We will take a look at the network one as we did in the Windows 8.1. But before that, I want to show you something useful in the search results here. If you notice that the settings, the store, the web are clickable. If I click on the settings here, it will do an advanced search for me inside the settings app. Let's see. As you see here, we have the settings results that contain the word network on it. If you want to search for folders and files, you can just change that from here, or if you want to search for apps or anything else. Now let's go back and see how Windows will do a web search for the keyword network. As you see, we have 2 search results for the web, network, and network fleet. If I click on the first one, network, it will do a normal search using Bing for the keyword network. One last thing I would like to mention, that if you do not like this search bar, or if you want to save the space, you can just right click on any location of the taskbar, and from this search menu you can either hide it or show it as an icon, or you can leave it on the default as the search box.